2018 to a thriving innovation ecosystem, transforming thousands of young minds. Welcome to the inspiring journey of Holy Cross Innovation Incubation Council, HCIICT, Holy Cross College, Autonomous Tiruchirappalli. Established under the Ministry of Education's Innovation Cell on 21st November 2018, HCIICT was created with one mission: to nurture innovation, entrepreneurship, research and impactful startups to empower young women students. What began as a small initiative has now evolved into one of the most vibrant innovation ecosystems in the region. The growth of HCIICT has become remarkable. From a 3-star IIC rating in 2018-2019, HCIICT rapidly progressed to a prestigious 5-star rating in 2019-2020, consistently maintaining excellence through innovation-driven activities, startup support, and institutional impact. Today, HCIICT proudly houses 56 faculty innovation ambassadors, 12 student innovation ambassadors, 63 faculty mentors, 27 pre-incubation units, advanced innovation labs, AI and biotech research centers, maker spaces, incubation hubs, and entrepreneurial development centers. Innovation has become part of academic culture. HCIICT has integrated nearly 200 innovation and entrepreneurship-oriented courses into the curriculum, empowering students with design thinking, startup development, IPR awareness, AI technologies, and problem-solving skills. The institution actively conducted 142 innovation and entrepreneurship activities per year, generated 968 innovative ideas, developed 225 prototypes, and established more than 120 startups and ventures. HCIICT also achieved major milestones in IPR with multiple patent grants, 25 trademarks under examination, copyrights registration, and over 93 technology transfers and commercialization initiatives. The institution's innovative breakthroughs include Sensorit, a sensor-enabled concentration monitoring pen, Aquaterra, an eco-friendly alternative to plastic water cans, Mobi heater vessel, an energy-efficient fuel stove, and HATS, an AI-powered accessible traffic signal system for persons with disabilities. Students of HCIICT have continuously excelled at national and state-level hackathons, from Smart India Hackathon finalists to prize winners in TNSI, Innovathon, Startup Mela, and various national innovation contests. HCIICT students have brought recognition to the institution through impactful ideas and technology-driven solutions. The institution also secured grants including Rs 15 lakh MSME Idea Hackathon funding, Rs 5 lakh National Innovation Contest Grant, Innovation Voucher grants, and multiple startup seed supports. Through the Mentor-Mentee scheme, HCIICT has guided nearly 6 colleges and 5 schools, creating a ripple effect of innovation beyond the campus. Innovation Ambassador trainings conducted by MOE and AICTE were actively attended by the faculty members and students, strengthening the institutional innovation ecosystem every academic year. HCIICT today collaborates with industries, universities, startups, research centers, and international institutions across India and abroad, building a strong global innovation network. From ideation to incubation, from classrooms to startups, and from learning to leadership, HCIICT continues to empower women innovators to create sustainable solutions for society. HCIICT, where innovation becomes impact and ideas transform into enterprises. Thank you.
Hello everybody, I am Pauline Monisha, currently working as business consultant at Ernst & Young, Chennai. I completed my bachelor's in computer applications from Holy Cross College in the year 2018 to 21. During my college days at Holy Cross, I was part of the institution's Innovation Council. Adding on to my academics from Holy Cross College, the learnings I've got through IIC is numerous. Um, to mention few, the business model canvas, um, the innovative thinking, product development, and I attended various workshops. Um, and majority of the days I'll be on OD only. We are a team of 4, and uh, we applied for a patent for one of our innovative products in the year 2019, and we received the patent grant this year only, 2024 March. So it has been a long journey, and throughout this journey we received uh, uh, the support from the faculties from Holy Cross College. They made sure that they are available whenever we needed their support. So I'm very thankful for that. And
Hello, I'm Nahul Aditya from KV number 1 Trichy. We were provided with many expert talks, ideation sessions, and hands-on workshops, including comprehensive mentorship programs and many more, conducted by eminent professors and lecturers of Innovation and Incubation Council of Holy Cross College, which provided the young innovator gain in critical skills and experience, helping them transform their ideas into tangible solutions and the confidence to navigate the challenges of innovation. HCIICT acts as a bridge between academic knowledge and real-world application, encouraging creativity and nurturing a startup mindset among the next generation of change makers. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Ismail from T for Tech Software Solutions Trichy. So I visited Holy Cross College. I visit Holy Cross HCIICT and Innovation Hub, the wonderful place which I have visited. It's a vibrant place filled with 3D printers, multiple drones, Raspberry Pi kits, Arduino boards. There are plenty of projects, prototype done by the students, and this Innovation Hub helps many students to do their projects and make new patterns under it. And this hub builds multiple entrepreneurs from Holy Cross College. I'm really wishing the team of the Innovation Hub and the college students all the very best. Thank you.